Hi guys, I'm Jess, and this is my golden retriever Hudson. We've been living out of the back of my 2017 Hyundai Tucson, camping, traveling, cooking, and exploring all over the US. If you love the outdoors and want to see our adventures roaming the country and discovering some really cool places, please like, subscribe, turn your notifications on, and continue watching. Welcome to today's episode. Come with me to a dog park, help me pick out a new tripod at Walmart, grab a bite to eat at McDonald's, learn how to cross a cattle guard with your dog, and last but not least, a guy just told me a mountain lion has been running around. Ooh, got the sun coming up over the mountains. Hudson's eating breakfast. I'm just trying to wake up. For breakfast, we have peanut butter banana. What a good combo. We are heading to the dog park. Yes, me and Hudsy. I haven't had coffee in like a while. I've had energy drinks, but coffee, cold brews, so good. Not worth the price, but you know, every once in a while it's okay to splurge. Oh, what you doing? You so happy. Huh? We made it to the dog park. Good mornings, huh? Yeah. Come here, Hudson. This is a little hiking area, fenced in off dog leash area. Yeah. Go ahead, go hike. I'll follow you. Right outside the dog park. We just spent like an hour at the dog park over here, but we're gonna head out. Yeah, come here. We're back at the car. Good boy. That was fun, huh? You got to meet a lot of dogs. Yeah. All right, we're done at the dog park. We're gonna head into Cottonwood, and I'm gonna go to Walmart. Gonna try to find a new tripod. Made it to Walmart. Looking to see if they have a tripod. That's what I need. This should be what I need. Got the goods. Only cost $5 for that little tripod. I really just need like the head to it, but having an extra tripod isn't bad either. That's the goodest boy. Hi. Mama's back. I tried to be quick, yeah. Oh, I missed you. Okay, I'll start the car. Don't worry. Okay. Just opened up the new tripod. This is the piece that I needed. That piece that holds your smartphone. So I can screw this piece on to my other tripod. And hopefully it will work. But yeah, stick my phone in there. Good to go. Holding it with the tripod. Nice. Works good. Alright, sweet. My phone fits. Feels secure. Just shook it around, didn't fall out. Ready to go back to camp. It's kind of hot out. It's like 50. Actually, it's not even 50, it's 48. We're feeling the heat. Not gonna lie to you, we're in the McDonald's drive-thru. Gonna get a couple McDoubles. Starbucks and McDonald's today. And a new tripod. We are splurging. So we did not go with McDoubles. We went with hot and spices because they're cheaper. 2 for like $2.50. So the McDoubles were like $3 a piece. No thanks. You're so cute. And the McDonald's drive-thru. He's gonna get a couple bites. He's a good boy. Worth the $2.50. So, for the first time on this trip, I'm going to set up my hammock chair. I've been just using my yellow chair, but I'm gonna break out the hammock chair. Also, I did test the end on this tripod and it does work, so that's good news. Got the chair all set up. Yeah. Okay, let's test it out. Oh yeah, just relaxing, swinging away. It's pretty bright out here, so I think I'm gonna switch hats. Gonna go for a, yeah, we're gonna go for this hat. Help block out the sun a little bit more. There we go. My lips are still chapped, but they're getting a little bit better. I have just been sitting watching movies, and Hudson's been sleeping and chewing on sticks. So time to get up and go for a walk while it's still light out and still nice out, because the boy needs one. Yes, he does. You've been such a good boy today. Now I'll show you how we get across cattle guard. All right, hold on. Good boy. There you go. Okay, hold on a second. Hold on. I'm not leaving ya. I'm coming. Good job. Good job. Good job. Oh, come here. There's a car coming. Hey, sit down. Good boy. Sit. That's a good boy. We'll let the car pass before we keep going. Hi. Okay. There we go. There we go. Oh, good boy. Whew. Tomorrow, hiking in a shower, I think, is the plan. But today, I've been just really enjoying hanging out and doing pretty much nothing with the guy. We went to a dog park, went to Starbucks, went to Walmart. Then we've been watching How I Met Your Mother. Got chapstick on, trying to heal these lips. And now we're going on an afternoon walk. Good day overall. Wow, it is dusty out here. Hudson, come here. Come here, quick. Okay, you see that dust? A guy just told me a mountain lion has been running around. He lives up the road up there. I'm gonna go back to camp and probably sit in my car. I'm not trying to get freaking attacked by a mountain lion. Not with Hudson either. Not fun. I'm definitely gonna keep my eyes open here. Just to scare the crap out of me for now, you know. No. Yeah, we're going right back to camp. Okay, before that mountain lion thing, I was thinking how crazy it is, like, just being in your 20s and all the different lives you and your friends are living, like all the different points that you're at. I'm out here living like a dirtbag life, chasing this dream, like while I can, and they're chasing like such different dreams. They've got like careers going, the one is still in school. It's a weird time. Being in your 20s is just freaking weird. And it's a time of like decisions and really making your paths. And I'm happy with this path that I'm on, so I hope that they're happy with the paths they're on. That's all. Just thinking about how weird your 20s are. In other news, let us keep our eyes peeled for freaking mountain lions. You're staying on leash. Everything's freaking me out now. Let's get back to camp. Keep your eyes peeled. We made it back to camp. It's 5:07. I'm gonna get the car ready for bed. And you. Now I'm just looking at all these trees looking for mountain lions in them. I don't know if that guy did me a favor by telling me that he knew there was a mountain lion in the area, or like just put the fear of God in me. Either way, we're gonna clean up and we're gonna get ready for bed. And we're not gonna get eaten by a mountain lion. Okay. And go. Yes, it is literally 5:30, and yes, we are in here. We would normally climb in at like a little after 6, but the mountain lion freaked me out a little bit, okay? I'm sorry.